Welcome to the newest addition to Binghamton University's nearly 15-acre health science campus in Johnson City. Originally constructed in 1916 as the Endicott-Johnson Pioneer Annex, the building was home to shoe and shoebox manufacturing. Now completely renovated inside and out, providing Decker College with state-of-the-art classrooms, clinical laboratories, and research spaces. The 6-story building hosts the Decker School of Nursing as well as public health and programs in development in the rehab sciences. The Health Science Building features modern design while paying homage and preserving the integrity of the historic factory. Original open ceilings, exposed brick, and industrial concrete columns complement clean contemporary materials. As the hub of the Health Science campus, the ground floor provides a cafe with full-service kitchen, open study lounge, information commons, IT help desk, and spaces for group and individual study. The second floor is dedicated to Decker's Regional Innovative Simulation and Practice Center. The center has been designed to provide training services to our university programs as well as our community healthcare partners. They boast high-fidelity spaces to simulate hospital settings, exam rooms, home care suite, and an 18-bed teaching lab. The 5th and 6th floors will provide additional lab space for the rehab sciences and are slated to be completed for the fall 2021 semester.